Hello traders and investors, how are you doing today my friends? Yes, I am buying Tesla right now, today, and I will explain to you guys why I believe Tesla is a buy, why I believe Tesla will go up next week in this video. Just remember my friends, click on the like button to support this channel. If you're new around here, subscribe. I invite you to subscribe because I'm here every day. I do daily videos on Tesla and on other tech stocks which you may find interesting as well. So join our community, my dear friend. Let's see how Tesla is doing right now. Yes, I'm buying Tesla. Why? First, because Tesla is near a support level in the 1 hour chart. It is just at its support level at around 858. This black line is holding Tesla in the short term, and the moment to buy is right now near support levels, not when it's already gone up near resistances, okay? So always buy when there's blood in the street, always buy when people are saying that the economy is not good, when the market is gonna crash. This is how I have been dealing, this is how I have been trading in the past almost 10 years right now, and I have been doing amazingly well. I am trading Tesla for myself, and I am recommending Tesla to my subscribers at the Finance Hydra trading newsletter. If you want to trade with me, receive my recommendations, remember, subscribe at our newsletter over here. My performance is public. My performance, in fact, our performance is amazing. We can consistently beat the market. Very few traders can actually achieve that kind of performance. So seriously, my friends, if you want some consistency, if you want to trade with a solid, proven trading methodology, consider subscribing our trading newsletter, okay? Now, back to Tesla. It is at a support level. It is trying to react. We don't see any amazing confirmation yet. I agree with you. But it is near a support level. Now, what if you're wrong, Nathan? What if Tesla keeps dropping? I do believe it will seek $821 in the short term. This is how I see the situation now. For some confirmation purposes, it would be great to see Tesla breaking 885. This red line over here. It was a previous support level. Now it is working as a resistance for us. If Tesla breaks this point, okay, amazing. It's gonna actually trigger a midterm reversal seen in the daily chart as well. Now, if Tesla in the daily chart holds at the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, which is another another support level for us to work with. If it holds over here and that does a positive bullish candlestick by Tuesday, it will probably trigger another reversal structure in the daily chart. If this happens, most likely Tesla will break the 21 EMA for good, okay? And if this happens, we will most likely see a positive wick in the weekly chart. Tesla deserves to do a good positive candlestick right now at this moment. Again, we are just at the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, and Tesla simply deserves to do a better movement right now. When we analyze the stock market, our view is reinforced because in the short term, the S&P is doing a very similar movement. We have this black line at 41.48, which was working as a support level, now is working as a resistance for us. The S&P could drop a little bit more. Yes, it could. It still could retest the 40.62 down here, this red line. However, if it breaks the black line at 41.48, it will easily retest the 42.99, this resistance over here in the daily chart. We do see some stabilization, okay? Tesla is not giving us a crystal clear stabilization sign right now. Yes, we are at the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. This is good. This is quite good. But we don't see any candlestick pattern over here telling us now it's stabilization, okay? We see some stabilization. No, we don't. But the S&P does. In the S&P, we saw this hammer pattern over here on May 3. And right now, we see on May 6 another stabilization pattern. Here was a hammer candlestick pattern. Today is doing a spinning bottom candlestick pattern, which is also quite interesting. This reaction couldn't come at a better timing. And if it breaks today's high by Tuesday, breaking at the same time the 41.48 and the 41.67, this black line over here in the daily chart, I do believe it's going to confirm a bullish thesis on the index, and the entire stock market will go up. And since Tesla is a high beta, high volatility stock, it will probably outperform the market. And this is why Tesla is one of the stocks that I'm buying right now and that I'm recommending to my dear subscribers at the Finance Hydra trading newsletter. Okay, so this is how I see the situation. It is a pretty simple bullish thesis, okay, but if we analyze in the long term speaking, the S&P is doing, we have 5 bearish weeks right now. We just hit the support level at this red line down here. We almost hit, okay? We didn't quite there, but we are very close to this point. Even if we drop a little bit more in the next couple of days, I do believe next week is going to be a positive week. The Nasdaq index is passing through a similar situation. We are just at the support level near 12K, which was this resistance over here, 1-2 times. Now it is supposed to work as a support level. We have 5 bearish candlesticks in the weekly chart. Okay, we are talking about the weekly chart, so this means a lot. The last time we saw 5 bearish candlesticks was during the pandemic on February to March 2020. This was the last time we saw 5 bearish candlesticks in a row, and before that, I can't even recall. I think this is the second time we see this happening in 5 or 6 or even more years. So this is a very rare pattern. I do not believe we're gonna see it dropping for another week. We are just at a support level. We dropped it too much already. We just dropped it since it hit the 21 EMA. So no, I do not believe we will see another bearish candlestick. I do believe the next candlestick is gonna be bullish. I'm not saying the entire stock market is gonna reverse and do an amazing bullish run forever. No, I'm just saying next week it will be a positive week. Do not misunderstand what I'm saying over here, okay? I'm just saying I firmly believe next week will be a positive week. In 2 weeks, the market will be bullish. I don't know. We'll see. Right? For now, let's just try to think in small steps, okay? Let's try to do small steps at a time. Right now, since I do really expect a positive week for the S&P and for the Nasdaq, Tesla, as a high beta, high volatility stock, will outperform the markets, and it is already triggering bullish structures or trying to trigger bullish structures in the 1-hour chart and in the daily chart. I like that kind of situation, okay? It is quite risky, yes, it is. If it goes wrong, Tesla could drop easily 10% or even more. It could even retest the 700s. I don't believe that in the worst case scenario, we would hit the 700s in one single bullish candlestick in the weekly chart. I don't believe this would happen, but still, it is a risky situation, but I firmly believe Tesla will do amazingly well. And again, if you want to use a consistent strategy that can beat the market, that can even beat Tesla, subscribe at our trading newsletter, the Finance Hydra trading newsletter. Thank you very much for watching this video, my friends. Stay safe. Farewell.